On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best method to reset your explore page on Instagram. Hello guys, so first thing you wanna do, open your Instagram and then go to the explore page. Now, as you can see on my explore page, there is some posts that I like, and there is also the posts that I don't like. For example, I'm not interested in football. So all what you want to do to remove the football from your explore page, just click on it like this and keep clicking and go into those three options down here of the option and click on not interested. After you click on not interested, those posts of the football are not gonna show in your explore page. And then you have to go into the posts and reels that you like and put a like on them, and also make a comment like this. Let's put a comment on the posts that we like. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.